everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Rachel Amma. Yeah, different setup. I asked you guys what you kind of want to see on my YouTube channel, and some of you guys were just like a day in the life, and this is a day in the life. It's Saturday. Normally I'm filming a recipe video, but instead I'm having you could call it a me day. I don't know if I want to call it a me day. I'm normally filming, I'm still filming, but I'm gonna do like what I want to do on a Saturday and then bring you guys with me, like a natural day. So, chores, things like cleaning my bed sheets, folding my clothes, making food, watching TV. I think those are typical Saturday activities, unless I guess you're really social and like you're out and about with your mates and stuff. And today I'm just here filming and having a me day. Let's make it special. Let's see what happens. Let's try and have a nice day. Yeah, a nice day. So it's like a vlog. Let's call it a vlog kind of day with me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
My room is actually a mess. I took off my sheets because they need to go in the wash. I've got clothes. I've got a mess. We're gonna tidy up first. That's the plan.
This is a prime example when you're busy in life and you just put everything in a pile, and then you just got to clean up the pile. Alright, cool. Boom, 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 boom. I get a lot of questions about what I put on my lips. So I went out yesterday and I put it in the pocket of what I was wearing. Let me see if I can find. Boom, found it. So I normally wear these Anastasia Beverly Hills. They are Anastasia. I just walked all the way upstairs. So Anastasia Beverly Hills are cruelty free and they have a lot of vegan products, and these little lip things, they are vegan, and this is what I'm normally wearing if I'm not wearing Fenty Beauty's lip balm. So this is the little thing I use. Has it got a name? It's called Kiss Matte Stick. And as you can see, it doesn't suit my lips. I look like a clown. It's the lip liner that finishes it. Another Anastasia Beverly Hills thing. And I just like to ombre it out so that the edges are nice and dark and the middle is nice and light. And that's usually what's on my lips. Part of my day. Let's make some food and watch Netflix. Who doesn't love doing that? Saturdays. Normally when I record a YouTube video, obviously I've prepped ingredients, but I haven't prepped anything. Got some of these. Got some tomatoes, unfortunately in plastic. Spinach. Could do some onions and peppers. Got some chilies, cabbage. What shall I do, lads? I can't be bothered to do much, to be honest with you. So the plan is, we've got some bread from Gales, some cherry tomatoes. We're gonna heat those up. The spinach, gonna wilt that, and we're gonna cook up some of these vegan sausages and probably make a cup of tea, and that is what we're gonna start the day with. It's Saturday. Feels a bit weird not doing a recipe video. Day in the life. Well, this isn't even a normal day in the life because there's not many days I actually get to do this. Self-care day. And when I say self-care, I just mean doing things that make me happy, like eating food and vegan sausages that are really tasty. Couple tomatoes. Pop that, keep the heat in, and that'll let the tomatoes cook a bit better and quicker. Where I normally start DJing, get some tunes playing. You can hear the sizzle, look at those sausages. princess. Right. Oh yeah. Love this program. Obsessed with it. So I watched about 2 episodes of the OA. Oh my days. Season 2. So much better than season 1. Well, both were sick. I'm gonna make a smoothie. Because I'm training a lot more, I'll probably make a protein smoothie. Then I'll take my little moo to the park. Might hit up the supermarket, get a bit of food, make dinner. Day with me, and a day with me means there's music playing all the time. So I'm very much ready now to take my moo to the park, put my tracksuit bottoms on. It's winter. I mean, officially it's spring, but it's still very much cold. So coats, jackets, hoodies, quick run around in the park. Then I'll be back. Oh, I gotta make a smoothie. Let me make a smoothie first. Let me make a smoothie and I'll bring you guys with me. So I've got a cup of frozen berries. This is the protein powder that I'm gonna use today. It is 81% protein. Obviously it's vegan. I think this is a rice protein, yeah. It's a brown rice protein. I like this one. Then I'm also adding in some water. Then I've got a couple cashew nuts, which I'm just gonna add in. Then I'm gonna add in a little bit of agave. Any natural sweetener that you want, you can just add straight to this. The last thing is chia seeds, so I'm gonna add some chia seeds to this. What I love about adding chia seeds at the end, it lets them kind of go all like, what's it, silky and smooth when you guys know chia seeds, you know how they do, you know how they get. Marley, you ready to go to the park? You ready? Yes, hun. Yes, hun. You guys, if you have me on Instagram, you see sometimes it's hit and miss. All right, ready? Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Woo-hoo-hoo! Right, dinner. I think we're just going to use the vegetables we've got. A couple carrots. Got red pepper. Onion. Garlic. So very random, this is just what's left in the house. So we've got black eyed peas, some sugar snap peas, onion, garlic, red pepper and some carrots, and I'm going to use that as a base to make a curry. We're going to use chopped tomatoes. Okay, got some coconut milk, tomatoes. So I've got peppers, carrots and onions. That's going to be the base of this impulsive, random, what's left in the fridge curry. So we got this the other day. Focus. It's a Sri Lankan curry powder. And it's got coriander, chili, turmeric, cumin, fennel, black pepper, fenugreek, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. And this is what we're going to use to season it up and make it really tasty. We're also going to add in some ginger and some garlic. Y'all know I love ginger. Definitely going to throw some ginger in here too. Not the most conventional place to sit down and have dinner, but I've got stuff to do on my laptop, so I'm gonna get on with that. And this is just so hearty, so creamy, so delicious. This is a prime example of when you just use what's left in the fridge. Just use the leftover veg that you've got in the house, add some nice seasoning. We just added some tomatoes, some coconut milk, and it is so creamy, delicious, simple, vegan, hearty meal. I'm gonna finish eating this and I've got to take my bed sheets out the dryer. So I've got some fresh bed sheets, edit this, probably watch some of the OA if I have time. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed just hanging out with me today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not that good at vlogs. I'm trying to get better at them. So I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be here every week with new videos and new recipes to share with you guys. And I will see you all here next week. Also, if you want more of my recipes, definitely check out my cookbook. There's over 100 vegan recipes. I'll leave all the information down below. Yeah, check it out if you want some recipes, some vegan recipes. And I'll see you all here next week. Bye.